Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now by enabling the VLC web interface. Open VLC, go to Tools, Preferences, then All Settings and enable the web interface. Do this because the interface is the only supported remote entry point. Once done, set a strong password in the Lua/HTTP directory configuration so unauthorized access is blocked. Make sure to pick a consistent port, typically 8080, and verify your computer's local IP address. These steps prepare VLC to accept remote commands and prevent accidental exposure. You now configure access and create a secure path. Edit the Lua HTTP files to set a username and password and restrict allowed hosts. This is why you prevent arbitrary connections. Next, establish an SSH tunnel or a VPN. For SSH, run SSH L8080, localhost, 8080 user at remote so traffic is encrypted, or join your LAN via VPN. Once the tunnel or VPN is active, test the web interface at http://localhost 8080 through the tunnel. If it you finish by automating VLC to run with the web interface on boot, so remote access is reliable. Create a system service or startup entry with the appropriate flags. Make sure to document the chosen port and credentials for your remote client. If things go wrong, first verify VLC is running and that port 8080 is listening. Then confirm firewall and port forwarding rules and inspect your SSH tunnel or VPN logs. One key tip: run netstat or SS to confirm the port is listen and diagnose where traffic is blocked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.